My pork medallions with creamy sage sauce uses the tenderloin, the filet mignon of pork, to create a dish that's perfect for weeknight meal or your fanciest dinner party. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making a dish that is great for a weeknight meal or even a fancy dinner party. We're making pork medallions with a creamy sage sauce. Let's get started. This dish uses the pork tenderloin. Now, the tenderloin is much smaller than a loin of pork. It's really the filet mignon of the pig. This is what it looks like. This one is 3/4 pound, 375 grams. Now, this recipe calls for 2 of them. I've already done one that I've cut up. So I'm going to show you how to cut this one up. We're going to cut these into about 1/2-inch slices, 1.25 centimeter. It's very simple. It cuts very easily, just like that. Super simple, a nice sharp knife. And it goes pretty quickly. Okay, here we are. And you see, we have these little medallions of pork. So here's all the rest of mine. Now we're going to want to season these guys. We're going to start with some salt. I have 2 teaspoons of salt. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of ground sage. Right in. Give this little mix. And we're going to give these all a good seasoning. Mix this up a bit. All right. Okay, let's get our pan heating. I have a large skillet here. I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of extra virgin olive oil. Good flavor. Really want to give the pan a good coating. Now we're going to start cooking these medallions in this hot pan. And it's going to take 2 to 4 minutes each side for each little piece of pork. So let's get these going just like this. Lovely. And you probably want to do these in batches. Don't want to crowd the pan too much. So we're going to let these cook, brown on one side. In about 2 minutes, let's give them a turn. Ooh, beautiful. All right, I've turned these. I'm going to let them go another 2-3 minutes on the other side. And then I'm going to put them on another plate. And I'll cover them loosely with foil, and I'm going to keep going cooking the rest of these. So here we are. Last batch is coming out now. And I've gotten rid of my porky board, brought up a fresh clean one. And I have these sitting on this plate, which is a new plate, not the same one with the raw pork. We're just going to take these out. These don't take long, and if you're worried that they might look a little pink on the edge, that's okay. You can have pink pork. Plus, carryover cooking will finish anything up on these. Alrighty, now I'm just going to loosely tent this while we build our sauce. In the same skillet is where we're going to build our sauce. We want to get all this brown bits off. I'm going to use some stock today. I have 4 ounces or 120 mils of low sodium chicken stock. And I'm going to pour that right in and use that to scrape up any of these brown bits. Ooh, look at that. All right, this is all coming up nicely. To this, I'm going to lower the heat just a little bit. I'm going to add some heavy cream. I have 8 ounces or 240 mils of heavy cream. I'm going to stir this constantly. Next is Dijon mustard. 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon. Now you notice I have not added any salt or pepper to this. And that's because it's got all the seasoning from the meat in the bottom of the pan, plus the Dijon has quite a bit of salt to it. Give this a stir. Finally, to reinforce that sage flavor, I'm adding another ½ teaspoon of ground sage. You give it a good stir. Now we want to bring this up to a boil. Turn the heat up a little bit to help it along. And we're going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer, stirring constantly until it reduces down by about half, or make it as thick as you desire. And I know some people like thicker sauces than others. All right, I don't like a very thick sauce on this, so this really only took a couple of minutes to get to where I like it. I'm going to cut the heat. Ooh, the smell, ooh, wonderful. Now, let's plate this up. Bring up our pork medallions. Beautiful, huh? Now, if you want it to be dainty, you can just spoon this over the top of this beautiful platter. I'm going to taste it a little different way. I'm going to pick out a couple for myself, but I'm going to give them a little dunk. Whoops, right in that sauce if I don't throw them across the room. So you can do it either way. You could put the pork back in the sauce, get it nice and coated. Now, give myself some room. And the most important thing, the wine. Very good. It's so tender and juicy. The mustard, wow. Luscious, creamy, unctuous, beautiful dish. Let's wash it down. So that is our pork medallions with the creamy sage sauce. All right, as always, we will see you on Tuesdays for our full episodes and Fridays for either Basic Skills or Cocktail Fridays. Now, while I go and eat some more of this delicious pork, I want you to watch some of these videos over here. So until next time, cheers.